Hey everyone, I'm Jeff Teague in Raleigh, North Carolina, and your vehicle buying resource. Today I'm going to show you what the locking rear differential button does, where it's located, how you engage it, and how you would use it. Let's take a look. I'm sitting here in a 2019 Tacoma. There are a couple different ways to know that you've got this feature on your vehicle. Number one, up above here, this is the locking rear diff button. It shows an icon of two wheels locked together on the same axle. Or you could go down to the window sticker when you're first buying the vehicle or afterward. And then under mechanical and performance, we'll see it right here, locking rear diff. Locking rear differential is used with your truck's four-wheel drive system, and it operates when you're in low four-wheel drive. Now, just like the name implies, locking rear diff locks the rear wheels together on the same axle so they're spinning at the same speed. This would be ideal. Let's say you're on an off-road trail. One of your wheels is slipping in mud or sand. So instead of one of the wheels with the traction doing all of the work, it sends equal distribution of power to both of the wheels. That way they can both do the work to get you out of that sticky obstacle. This is what locking rear diff button looks like on your instrumentation cluster. And let me show you how not to engage the system. See my hand there? All right, so just by pushing it, it's gonna flash, but then it's gonna disappear. So let me show you how to engage it. All right, so let's show you how to engage it. Right now it's in two-wheel drive. Put it in drive, 4 high. This is what four-wheel drive high looks like. So now we're gonna put it in neutral, push it in. Now we're in low four-wheel, put it in drive, and then the locking rear button, and that's how it's engaged by a solid red icon. And I wish I had a true four-wheel drive slope worthy of this Tacoma, but we'll just show you how this works. It's going to lock both of the wheels so none is spinning, and we can go up this hill just like that without the wheels spinning. And for a reference guide, it's always nice to look at the Toyota manual that comes with your vehicle. Rear differential lock system is provided for use only when wheel spinning occurs in a ditch or on a slippery or rugged surface. It's only to be used when one of the wheels is spinning. And a couple other things of warning. Remember, this is only to be used when four-wheel drive low is engaged. So do not drive it over 5 miles per hour and do not lock it until the wheels have stopped spinning. Thanks so much for watching my video. Let me know in the comments section if you've ever used the locking rear differential button, what you used it for, and then maybe what you would use it for. See you next time. Toyota Jeff, subscribe today. Also, ask for Jeff if you're in the North Carolina area looking for a new car. Jeff Teague, Fred Anderson, Toyota.